Looking for budget-friendly tech products? Not only cheap, but also very helpful in many situations. Amazon has a ton of options that won't break the bank, but still deliver great value. In this video, we've rounded up some of the best cheap tech products available on Amazon so you can upgrade your gear without spending a lot. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Velcase Foldable Drone. This foldable drone is great for beginners and kids, offering tons of fun and easy to use features. With a 1080p HD camera, you can capture stunning aerial photos and videos in real time. It's equipped with cool functions like voice control, gesture photo, video, and 360-degree flips, making it super beginner friendly. The drone's foldable design makes it easy to carry, and it comes with everything you need, including 2 batteries for up to 26 minutes of flight time. Number 29, Sikai Foldable Keyboard. Now, let's look at this small foldable keyboard, which is universal and can be used with any device. This keyboard is pocket-sized and foldable, making it even smaller when folded. It comes with a smartphone and tablet stand, which you simply open and place your device on, then connect your phone via Bluetooth, and you can start typing on the go. Additionally, you can use it for mobile gaming, giving you a significant advantage over touch screens. You'll be able to type faster, chat quickly, and enjoy casual mobile gaming easily. Number 28, DocSafe Chair+Storage. Need a safe and stylish way to store your important items? This fireproof and waterproof ottoman offers the perfect solution. Made with a 3-layer silicone-coated fiberglass, it can withstand temperatures up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your documents safe. The durable PVC leather seat is water resistant, and the stool can hold up to 700 pounds, so you can sit. It features a combination lock for extra security and a hidden storage compartment for privacy. With its sturdy handles, it's easy to move even when fully loaded. Number 27, Car Steering Wheel Desk. This versatile car steering wheel desk is perfect for anyone constantly on the go. It easily transforms your car into a productive space if you're working or relaxing. One side features a cup holder and meal tray, while the other offers a spacious area for laptops, complete with a pen holder for extra convenience. Made from durable ABS material, it attaches securely to your steering wheel, providing a stable surface. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to store under your seat and ready whenever you need it. Number 26, Ivation Electric Cooler. Keep your food and drinks fresh wherever you go with this portable cooler and warmer. It offers reliable cooling and heating for all your essentials. With a large interior, it can hold everything from bottles to food trays and even refrigerated medications. Switching between cold and hot modes is as easy as flipping a switch, and the compact design includes a collapsible handle for easy transport. The power adapters let you use it at home or in your car, making it a convenient option for all your travel and outdoor adventures. Number 25. Foldable laptop table. Now guys, I want to show you an amazing laptop desk that's so sturdy you could even stand on it without affecting its stability. This desk comes with a built-in adjustable lamp, meaning the lamp is integrated into the table itself and is fully foldable. You can fold it back into the table when not in use. The lamp is also removable, so if you want, you can detach it and use it separately. This table can be used for studying, working on your laptop, or simply eating, fulfilling all purposes easily. Number 24. Portable waist fan. Stay cool on the hottest days with this versatile, hands-free wearable fan. Featuring a brushless motor that reaches speeds of 13,000 RPM, it delivers a powerful airflow to keep you refreshed all day. With 4 adjustable speed settings, you can customize the breeze to your liking. The fan can be worn around your waist or neck, or used as a handheld or desktop fan, making it perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, or working in hot conditions. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 22 hours of cooling power. Number 23, Kaistyle Car Mount. This magnetic phone mount for your car is designed to keep your device secure while driving, offering powerful magnetic support that holds your phone firmly in place, even through sharp turns or sudden stops. It's compatible with iPhones equipped with MagSafe, as well as Android phones when using the included metal rings. The mount features strong VHB adhesive that sticks securely to your dashboard, ensuring it stays put no matter the road conditions. The small size ensures it won't block your view, making it a safe and convenient way. Number 22, Londtern Waterproof Tent. Setting up camp just got a lot easier with this instant pop-up tent. With pre-assembled poles, it sets up in seconds. Just open the bag and let it pop into place. No more wasting time on complicated setups. The tent's mesh front and back doors provide plenty of airflow, and you can seal them with nylon doors for complete privacy. Spacious enough for 3 to 4 people, it also features a vestibule to keep your shoes and gear outside the main area. Waterproof, tear-resistant, and designed for easy storage, it's perfect for camping, festivals, or just relaxing in the backyard. Number 21. Portable shower. This portable shower is a game changer for outdoor adventures. With a 5-gallon capacity, it offers 2 to 3 quick rinses for everything from washing off after a hike to cleaning your pet or car. The foot pump design means you don't need electricity, making it perfect for off-grid trips. Simply step on the pump to build pressure and control the water flow, flip the lever for a constant stream, or adjust it manually. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to pack and carry wherever you go, and its durable PVC construction ensures it will last through any outdoor challenge. Number 20. Portable air conditioner. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you are with this portable air conditioner. It offers 2 modes, a natural wind mode for a cool breeze and a cooling mode where you can add water or ice cubes for extra chill. The 1,500 milliliter water tank provides 6 to 8 hours of continuous use, so you don't have to keep refilling it. It features a control panel and remote for easy operation, plus 10 colorful lights to set the mood. With a timer function and quiet operation under 55 decibels, it's perfect for use at home, in the office, or even during camping trips. Number 19. Feppo Food Warming Mat. Keep your meals warm and ready to serve with this versatile food warming mat. Featuring advanced graphene heating technology, it heats up in just 10 seconds, evenly warming your food. The silicone nano material is flexible and durable, making it easy to roll up for storage. With 6 adjustable temperature settings ranging from 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a good option for everything from keeping dishes warm to defrosting frozen food. The built-in 6-hour timer ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature for hours. Number 18. Electric Herb Grinder. Enjoy perfectly ground herbs and spices without the mess using this innovative grinder. Combining manual grinding with automatic dispensing, it makes the whole process effortless. Just press a button and a vibrational motor evenly dispenses the grind without needing to twist open the grinder. Its portable design and magnetic flip spout make it perfect for on-the-go use. The grinder also features a secure container with an LED lighted viewing window so you can easily check your supplies. With ultra-sharp grinding teeth and a long-lasting battery, it delivers smooth, fluffy results every time. Number 17. Underbed storage. Make the most of your space with these durable underbed storage bins that help keep your home neat and organized. Made with high-quality fabric and a strong metal frame, these bins are built to last and can hold up to 66 pounds. The 49-liter bins come with adjustable dividers to help you stay organized. It has a clear window so you can easily see what's inside. The 360-degree rotating wheels make it simple to slide the bins under the bed, and the 2 locking wheels keep them in place. Number 16. Willed Sensor Night Light. Illuminate your space effortlessly with this motion sensor night light, perfect for hallways, stairs, bathrooms, and more. Featuring a built-in 500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, it offers up to 16 hours of continuous use in always-on mode or up to 2 months in motion sensor mode. The light automatically turns on when it detects movement in the dark and shuts off after 20 seconds of no activity. Its soft 2700 Kelvin warm white light provides a gentle glow without any harsh glare. With a magnetic design and no screws needed, it's easy to install on any iron surface or using the included adhesive. Number 15. Delta Glass Rinser. Say goodbye to scrubbing with this awesome glass rinser for your kitchen sink. It uses strong water jets to quickly wash away residue from cups, bottles, and even wine glasses. This saves you so much time on soaking and scrubbing. The clever overhang directs the water straight into the sink, making cleanup super easy. The spot-resistant finish keeps it looking clean and free from fingerprints. Installing it is a breeze, and you can easily replace your old soap dispenser or sink sprayer with this rinser. It connects to hot or cold water and works great with most kitchen setups. Number Number 14. Electrolux Portable Steamer. Tackle wrinkles effortlessly with this handheld clothes steamer. It heats up in just 30 seconds so you can smooth out your clothes, bedding, or drapes in no time. It's made for all fabric types and gives you up to 18 minutes of continuous steam. The 2-in-1 fabric and lint brush helps keep your textiles looking fresh and clean. Its pump steam technology prevents leaks or spills, even when you're using it horizontally or vertically. With a long 12-foot cord, you've got plenty of reach for easy, hassle-free steaming anywhere. Number 13. Vacuum Sealed Backpack. Travel smarter with this expandable vacuum-sealed backpack that offers a massive 60-liter capacity. It compresses your clothes to save up to 80% of storage space, so you can pack more efficiently. The included electric air pump makes compression quick and easy, while the airtight zipper keeps everything secure. Despite its large capacity, it's TSA-approved carry-on size, so no worries about extra baggage fees. Made from durable, water-resistant fabric, it's equipped with multiple compartments. Number 12. Jisulife Portable Handheld Fan. Stay cool wherever you go with this powerful handheld fan. It's got a brushless motor and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, so it delivers a strong airflow of up to 9 meters per second and runs for anywhere between 3 to 15 hours on a single charge. The scroll switch lets you adjust the wind speed from 1 to 100, giving you total control over your comfort. The digital display shows the wind speed and battery life. Also, it charges fast in just 1.5 to 2 hours, making it a super convenient travel companion. Number 11. Geekey Keychain Multitool. This compact and lightweight multi-tool is the ultimate everyday carry gadget, perfect for travel or DIY projects. With over 16 useful functions, including a bottle opener, screwdriver, wrench, box cutter, bike spoke key, and even a wire stripper and protractor. It's a versatile tool that's always within reach. Its small size makes it easy to attach to your keychain or slip into your pocket, and it's TSA approved for hassle-free travel. Made from durable 420 stainless steel, this tool is built to last and tackle any task with ease. Number 10. Touchscreen Mist Cleaner. Keep your screen spotless with this convenient 2-in-1 cleaning kit. It comes with a spray bottle filled with a cleaning solution and a microfiber cloth, perfect for removing fingerprints, sweat, and dirt from all your devices. If it's your phone, laptop, tablet, or TV screen, this cleaner works on them all. The soft microfiber cloth is reusable and gentle on screens, ensuring a streak-free clean every time. Simply spray the solution, wipe with the cloth, and your screen will look like new. It's lightweight, easy to use, and a must-have for keeping your electronics looking fresh. Number 9. ONXE Sugar. The Onexsugar Sugar 1 is the world's first dual-screen transformable handheld console, letting you play games at PC-level performance anywhere. Normally, gaming is tied to a PC in your room, but with this device, you can game on the go. It comes with a powerful Snapdragon G3J3 processor, which is top tier for gaming. It has 2 screens, not just one. It also features joystick buttons for easy control. The main screen is 6 inches AMOLED, and the secondary screen is 3.92 inches. It also has a micro SD card slot for extra storage. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for smooth online gaming. Number 8. Eavida Dish Soap Dispenser. If you're looking for a practical kitchen addition, this affordable gadget combines a soap dispenser with a sponge holder in a compact, non-toxic design. This one is made from high-quality BPA-free plastic. It's resistant to corrosion and safe to use. Its 3-in-1 design includes a detachable holder for easy refills and cleaning. The anti-slip base keeps it in place, and a simple press dispenses just the right amount of soap. This design saves countertop space and makes kitchen cleaning easier. Number 7. Berlinzo Ice Ball Maker. This gadget helps enhance your drink presentation by creating clear, round ice spheres that look great in any beverage. Made with BPA-free silicone, the molds release ice easily without picking up odors. The 2.4-inch spheres cool drinks without watering them down and melt slower than regular ice cubes. It also comes with an ice storage bag and stamp ring. The stylish design adds a touch of elegance to any setting, making it a nice addition to home bars. Available in colors like black, it's a simple way to elevate your drinks with professional-looking ice. Number 6. Under cabinet lighting. No more fumbling around in the dark with this clever budget-friendly light. Thanks to its motion sensors, it springs to life when you're within 10 feet and turns off after 20 seconds of stillness. With 32 LED beads, blades. It casts soft, glare-free light, lighting up to 180 lumens of space. The rechargeable 1,500 mAh battery lasts up to 20 days in sensor mode, or 6 hours of continuous use. The built-in magnets make it a breeze to install on metal surfaces, or use the adhesive plates for non-metal ones. Number 5. Jewelry Organizer Stand. Keep your jewelry organized and easy to access with this practical organizer. With 4 tiers, it's perfect for holding necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and rings. It even has a velvet-lined ring holder to keep delicate pieces safe and a wooden tray for extra storage. The white iron frame and wooden accents give it a stylish, decorative look, so it can double as a display piece. With 15 hooks, 16 earring holes, and plenty of compartments, it can hold a variety of accessories. It's small in size and smart design make it great for everyday use or as a thoughtful gift. Number 4. LED USB Clock Fan. Stay cool and on time with this cool USB fan that doubles as a clock. The fan features soft PVC blades, so it's safe to use, and the flexible gooseneck lets you position it exactly where you want that refreshing breeze. Ideal for desktops or laptops, it plugs right into any USB port with no extra drivers needed. What makes it extra special? The blades light up to display an LED clock, so you can keep track of time while enjoying the cool air. It's a fun, functional addition to your workspace that brings a little flair and comfort all in one. Number 3. Mentech Mini Projector. This small gadget turns any room into a personal theater with a 150-inch screen and 180-degree adjustable projection. It has a native 720p resolution and supports 4,000 pixel decoding for clear visuals and good color. With Android 11 built in, you can stream content easily, and Wi-Fi 6 helps keep the connection smooth. It weighs under 1 pound and offers Bluetooth 5.2 for wireless audio, plus built-in speakers. It also has multiple ports to connect other devices. The fan is quiet and the cooling system works well. Overall, it's a solid option for affordable, on-the-go entertainment. Number 2. Simpletaste Milk Frother. Making cafe-quality drinks at home is easy with this gadget that creates rich, velvety milk foam for cappuccinos, lattes, and more. It has 4 functions: warm dense foam, warm airy foam, cold foam, and milk warming. The large capacity lets you froth 4.4 ounces or warm 10.1 ounces of milk, ideal for drinks like hot chocolate or matcha. The non-stick interior makes it easy to clean, while the scratch-resistant exterior adds durability. An automatic shutoff ensures safety by preventing overheating or over-frothing for making hot or cold drinks at home. Number 1. MontVoo Bath Mat. This budget-friendly mat offers a clever mix of comfort and utility for bathrooms. It features a thin yet supportive design with a sponge layer for comfort and a non-slip rubber backing for safety. Its smooth surface absorbs water instantly, leaving no marks behind, while its quick-drying material ensures it's ready for use again in no time. Stain-resistant and easy to clean, a simple wipe restores its fresh look, making it suitable even for households with pets. Its durability ensures no pilling or fading, and its slim design prevents tripping while fitting seamlessly under doors. Available in multiple sizes, it's a practical solution for maintaining a clean and safe bathroom space. So that's it for this video. Also drop a comment below if you're picking anything. Thank you for watching.